Hi guys, hi viewers, you are watching today video of the wall decor ideas. You are watching the ice cream stick wall hanging, different popsicles made wall decor, wall hanging home decor ideas, easy and simple ideas for popsicle sticks, wall hanging making. The kids make for school projects, popsicle sticks, ice cream sticks, wall hanging, wall decor ideas, easy and simple ideas. You are watching the train engine made by the popsicle. You are watching now the popsicles heart shape wall decor. You are watching now popsicle sticks beach sign, as these items. Now you are watching the wall decor of popsicle plant hanger. You are watching the sweet home hut shape popsicles craft. You are watching another wall decorating crafts. You are watching the popsicles shelves. You can decor your room. You are watching now the heart shape and flowers decorating with the popsicle sticks. You are watching the popsicle sticks natures. You are watching the peacock made by the popsicle sticks, beautiful idea. You are watching an other wall hanging different colors and messages written on it. You are watching the popsicle colorful earring and jewelry hanger. You are watching the popsicles wall hanging flower. You are watching the wall hanging beautiful organizer, uh, artificial flower manager. You are watching the beautiful idea of the popsicle stick. You are watching another some ideas of the popsicle baskets, wall hangings, wall decor. Now you are watching some other ideas, popsicle ice cream sticks crafts, heart shape. You are watching an mobile and stationary organizer, table organizer of the popsicle sticks. You are watching the jeep vehicle of the ice cream sticks. You are watching a basket wall hanging. You are watching a mobile holder table organizer made with the ice cream sticks. You are watching the key hanger wall decor wall hanging with the popsicle sticks. You are watching the frames